Hi guys, class. Today we finished rates, 8.5. Do you understand what a ratio... I'm sorry, we finished ratios. Do you understand what a ratio is?
Yes.
You know what it does?
Yes.
A ratio is, what's this word right here? It's a relationship. It's a comparison. It's how two numbers work together. Ratios can be what? You guys know that word. We'll skip over that one. All right, you can write ratios three ways. Is this an example of how to write a ratio?
Yes.
As a... You can also write a ratio using, what's this thing called?
Colon.
A third way to write a ratio is to literally use the word...
2.
What should ratios always be?
6.5.
Is there a lot of different ways of looking at this little circle diagram as a ratio?
Yes.
Here's one. We actually thought it looked like pizza, right?
Yes.
This represents one slice of the pizza that we ate. And how many total slices are there?
4.
4. Somebody else said, you know what, Mr. Ponger? We could write a ratio as one slice eaten. Do we need to have labels, by the way?
Yes.
Over 3 slices not eaten. Would that be another way of looking at this as a ratio?
Yes.
Are we comparing the number 1 to the number of 3?
Yes.
But we have to know what we're talking about, so we have to have labels, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's so fun. See these guys right here?
Yes.
Why is this wrong? You can't say there are 4 circles to 6 rectangles as a ratio because you have to simplify ratios, right?
Yeah.
We say for every 2 circles, there are 3 rectangles, right? Watch. 1, 2 circles. Watch. 3 rectangles. There we go, yeah? 2 more circles. How many more rectangles?
3.
Last thing, this word problem. I'm not going to go through the whole word problem. But we learned that the word and can represent a decimal point. But it also means in math sometimes that if you see the word and, you